George hates when I tell that story.
Do it. Want something that he's not around, please?
Oh my Lord!
Great, that's awesome.
I want to tell a story, but
Rock-a-bye
okay, it goes like this. How much time you got on that? I'll go fast.
Yeah.
What happens is, when I was a little girl, I was in 3rd grade, and there was this girl, her name was Migdalia, and every day she would kick my hiney, every day. And what happened was, I got home one day, and she had been doing this for about, 2 weeks. Some days she wouldn't kick my hiney. I would get to the end of the school ground, and there was one bar that was pulled apart, and I'd get my body through and my head through, and then I'd go, because she didn't get me that day. Well, Clyde says to my mother, you know Mary's getting her ass kicked every day. Well, he didn't say that ass word, but you know Mary's getting beat up every day after school. And my mother looked at me and she said, did I tell you this story? And she looked at me and she says, if you don't go to school tomorrow and kick that girl's ass, when you get home from school, I will whip you with a belt. My mother said that to me. And I was terrified. So the next day I went to school, and it's like I had to beat this girl up or I had to get whipped with a belt. All day long I had a knot in my stomach. All day long I was watching the clock. You know, that little hand moving. The bell rang. It was the end of the day, and I had made up my mind. I'm going to kick her ass. My brother told all his friends there's going to be a fight after school. We're on the school ground, and I see her, and I throw my books down. And I'm a little person. I was trying to be as big as I could. And
that never worked.
yeah, it did. Well, and my mother told me, you better get the first lick in. When you whip her, you get the first lick. And don't stop, because she'll get a hold of you. So I threw down my books. I grabbed a hold of her. I knocked her down on the school ground. I got her by the head of the hair. I'm doing this. She had long dangly earrings. I ripped out her earring. I mean, I whipped the hell out of this girl. I was so happy because I thought, Lord, at least I don't get whipped with a belt. So I get home and I'm all excited. Oh, and my mother's like, well, did she do it? And my brother's like, you should have seen her, Mom. She was awesome. She really beat the crap out of that girl. Then the next day I'm real afraid because the girl, you know, is Hispanic and she had all these Hispanic girlfriends. And I'm like, oh, they're going to get me bad. I was afraid the next day. Well, the next day when I went to school, Migdalia was, psst, psst, hey, you wanna hang out? You know, at recess, and I'm like, me? And she's talking to me, and I'm like, no, it's okay. She wanted to be my friend. Can you believe it? After I whipped her hiney, she wanted to be my friend. So that's just the story of life. You got to knock them down before they knock you down. That's just I'm kidding.
How old were you?
I was in 3rd grade. How old are you in 3rd grade? 9? 8?
8 maybe.
Okay. That's my story.